Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and ground. Check the trailer battery and 7-pin connector for continuity and corrosion. Next, park level and chock the wheels so you can work safely. Once done, disconnect the tow vehicle battery to avoid shorts while you probe wires. Strip and label the electric brake wires, left, right, and ground, and the brake controller lead. Use a multimeter to verify which wire is which. This prevents swapping and ensures the brakes respond in the next steps. Once wires are identified, route and secure the controller output cable to the 7-pin or dedicated brake plug, avoiding heat or moving parts. Then splice the controller lead to the trailer brake output. Crimp and heat shrink each connection so moisture can't get in. At the axle, confirm the electromagnet polarity and seating. Magnets must be aligned to engage the drum evenly. Make sure mounting hardware and dust shields are correct, because improper magnet install causes uneven braking. Now you finish by reconnecting power and setting the controller gain to a low starting point based on trailer load, then adjust gradually. First, do a static test. Apply the controller manual feed and confirm both brakes energize and wheel rotation feels resisted. Next, conduct low-speed road tests, increasing brake power until stops are firm without locking. If a brake doesn't work, check ground continuity, controller output voltage under load. In each splice, a bad ground is the most common fault and often the fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.